back to my channel. This is TJ Urf Tarjini and I'm here with another shopping haul. I'm so excited. So these are the items which I bought in the end of the year sale. मतलब 2024 के end of the year sale में मैंने ये सब चीजें ली है. So I bought things from Victoria's Secret, Shein, Revlon, Bath and Body Works, and a brand called Express. So yeah, without further ado, let's start with the first haul of 2025. I'm so excited. Victoria's Secret Bombshell Seduction Mist. This smells amazing and it has potential of being your everyday fragrance, everyday mist. So yeah, this is a very nice product. It's that kind of a smell which I guess every girl will like. The second product I got from here is a very sexy dress. It screams poo from K3G. So I'm so excited to show it to you guys. This is the dress, guys. It's a mini dress, it's a leather dress, and it has a very deep neck. I have a tattoo on my back, and since this dress is a backless dress, वो tattoo बहुत अच्छे से दिखता है and it looks very sexy. Moving on to the another brand called Express. यहाँ पे honestly मैं मेरा कुछ नहीं लेने गई थी. My mother-in-law had some coupons and she wanted to use it. तो हम उनके लिए गए थे. बट वहाँ एक ड्रेस था जिसपे मेरी नज़र कब से थी एंड बिकॉज इट वॉज वेरी एक्सपेंसिव तो मैंने कभी लिया नहीं. बट इन द एंड ऑफ द ईयर सेल तभी बहुत सारे ऑफर्स चल रहे थे लाइक $250 पे $75 ऑफ एंड $50 पे $15 ऑफ. वैसे सब ऑफर्स चल रहे थे. So yeah, when she bought things for her, so we were eligible for one of those offers. So इसलिए मैंने मेरा जो ड्रेस है जिस पे मेरी नज़र कब से थी, that dress was actually $108. But since we were eligible for those offers, तो मुझे वो ड्रेस $30 में पड़ा. So yeah, I'll show it to you guys. This is the dress, guys. It's an off-white, black and beige stripes patterned dress. And it's a ribbed maxi dress, so it looks very nice. It hugs my body at the right places and it shows my curves and it's a very nice dress. Moving on to the second product which I bought from this brand. These are the heels. I mean, look at it, guys. It's transparent. The whole heel is transparent and पीछे इतना part सिर्फ silver detailing दिया है and the heel is also silver. But just look at it, guys. So freaking sexy and pretty, guys. Just look at it. And ये मुझे $20 में मिले. So I was like, I have to buy this. Like, no matter what, I have to buy these. And guess what? ये सिर्फ एक last piece available था in my size. Like, what? That was a sign that I have to buy this. So yeah, I bought this and जैसे ही मैं घर आई मैंने सबसे पहले चीज ट्राई की वो ये and this dress from Victoria's Secret. I swear, guys, these two things together looks like a deadly combo. A deadly combo. Like, it looks so sexy, so sexy. So summer में मैं ये दोनों पहन के बाहर जाऊंगी. The last thing which I got from this brand is a belt. So this is the belt. It's in white color with the gold detailing and it's exactly in my size. It just fits well. It looks amazing. It will look amazing with dresses, on jeans, everything. Moving on to the another brand, Shein. I ordered a lot of things from Shein. सब छोटी छोटी चीज़ें, essential चीज़ें and jewelry and वो सब मंगाया था मैंने. Because it was end of the year sale, I got 17 pieces. I got 17 items in just $30. Like, what? That's so crazy. Shein का ना ऐसा है कि कुछ चीज़ें बहुत अच्छी आती है. Like, you won't even believe कि इतने सस्ते में इतनी अच्छी क्वालिटी आई है. एंड कुछ चीज़ें ऑब्वियसली इतनी अच्छी क्वालिटी नहीं होती है. एज सून एज यू वेयर इट और एज सून एज यू tie it, it just breaks. So yeah, I'll show it to you guys कि किसकी quality अच्छी है किसकी नहीं है. And I ordered one sweater also from Shein. तो सबसे पहले मैं sweater दिखाती हूँ. And that sweater came with a free gift, which is like the cutest free gift a girl can ever receive. This is the cutest bow sweater you will ever see. It has crochet white bows on it, and the whole sweater is knitted, and it's so freaking cute. The color is also butter yellow, which was every girl's color in 2024. So this sweater cum cardigan came with a free gift, which again has bows on it, and it's the cutest bow mirror. This is how it looks. It's a mirror which is definitely going in my vanity, and I'll be using it every day for my makeup. It has two types of mirrors. One is like a magnified mirror so that I can, just put mascara and do my eyebrows, which I don't. But for the girls who does their eyebrows, उन लोग के लिए ये वाला mirror is amazing. It just magnifies everything. The other mirror is just a normal mirror. So this is such a perfect mirror for your vanity and like everyday makeup के लिए बहुत काम आ सकता है. And it's compact and cute कि आपके पर्स में भी easily fit हो जाएगा. So yeah, and I got it for free. Like और क्या ही चाहिए एक लड़की को. Coming on to the 17 items which I got for $30 जो मैंने आपको बोला. Let's start with that. The first thing which I got from here is a scrunchie, but it has bows on it. Again, bows. Like I am obsessed with. मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है कि मैं बहुत late आई हूँ इस trend में. And मतलब मैं बहुत late हूँ bows से obsessed होने के लिए, but I am obsessed, clearly. So yeah, this is a scrunchie with a bow and it's black and white. And ऐसे दो scrunchies है. First one is in this color and second one is in this color. Black and white and black. So these are the most common colors जो almost हर outfit पे जाता है. So I'll be wearing this very often. The next item I got from here is a pedicure brush. Like it scrubs off all your dead skin. So next thing is this pretty basic multicolor scrunchie packet. Next thing I got is this set of hair clips. There are huge claw clips, there are small fur wale claw clips, and छोटे clips भी है इसमें. Next thing is this scrunchie again, जो ऐसे दिखता है. It looks really nice. I don't know मेरे बालों पे कैसा लगेगा. I have never styled it that way, like straighten करके ponytail with this kind of a look. I have never done it, so I'm eager to try it. The next thing I ordered from Shein was this heel pads. It's like a stick-on pad. So whenever you wear uncomfortable heels and boots like these, इसमें ये बहुत काम आता है. You just have to peel the sticker and put it here, and आपके legs को बहुत अच्छा support मिलेगा, आपके feet को बहुत अच्छा support मिलेगा. It just sticks here nicely, and majorly मैंने notice किया है कि मैं जब भी heels and boots पहनती हूँ तो I am used to the heel, like the height of the heel. बट मुझे ये पार्ट में सबसे ज़्यादा पेन होता है एंड अनकम्फर्टेबल लगता है बिकॉज यहाँ पे यूजुअली बहुत हार्ड सोल होता है. सो या दिस इज़ लाइक अ मस्ट हैव फॉर एवरी गर्ल हु लव्स टू वेयर हील्स एंड बूट्स. सो या दिस इज़ फॉर दैट. Next is this super cute gold claw clip, and it looks so nice whenever I wear it. This elevates your hairstyle and your outfit. The next items I got are these two leg warmers, and these two things are not must-haves, but like it just elevates your outfit. अगर आपने मिनी स्कर्ट पहना है उसके नीचे आप स्टॉकिंग्स पहन लो, फर स्टॉकिंग्स या नॉर्मल स्टॉकिंग्स जैसा भी, एंड उसके नीचे बूट्स with leg warmers. It just elevates your outfits in a second and it just looks super cute. So yeah, I wanted to style these leg warmers, so इसलिए मैंने मंगाया. Next few items I got from Shein are jewelry pieces. Starting with this necklace, it looked really nice and really sexy on the model, but real में I am a little disappointed because it इतना खास नहीं लग रहा है जितना वो मॉडल पे लग रहा था. एंड ये ऐसे 2 पीसेस में आया है. सो 1 piece इज लाइक अ चोकर, उसके नीचे फॉर लेयरिंग इज दिस. सो आप ये दोनों चीजें अलग अलग भी पहन सकते हो, साथ में भी पहन सकते हो. दैट थिंग इज नाइस बट आई जस्ट डोंट नो, आई एम नॉट दैट हैप्पी विद द डिजाइन एंड द क्वालिटी. सो नॉट श्योर हाउ इट विल लुक ऑन मी, बट मॉडल पे तो अच्छा लग रहा था. सो आई ऑर्डर्ड एंड आई विल कीप इट. आई विल सी हाउ आई कैन स्टाइल इट विथ सच डीप नेक टॉप्स एंड डीप नेक ड्रेसेस. Let's see. Next jewelry piece I got from Shein is this bracelet and ring set. This is the design of the bracelet. It looks really nice. It's adjustable. Because मेरे हाथ बहुत पतले हैं and मेरे हाथ का size का bracelet मिलना बहुत बहुत मुश्किल है. So I always have to buy such adjustable bracelets. So this is the bracelet and it comes with the matching ring which is also adjustable. So it's really nice. Looks nice together and of course you can wear it separately as well. So one is this and वैसा ही similar set I got it in golden, just different design. So it's in this design. So this is again the adjustable bracelet. It looks really nice. And this also came along with a ring, the same matching ring. But unfortunately, when I tried to wear it and adjust it according to my ring size, it broke. टुकड़े टुकड़े हो गए इसके. So I'm definitely not happy with the quality of this product. The next jewelry piece I got is this earrings. It looks like a ear cuff, but it's not. The next jewelry piece is this necklace, 1999 because I am 1999 born and मुझे चाहिए था एक ऐसा necklace, so I got this. नेक्स्ट ज्वेलरी पीस जो है उससे मैं बहुत ज़्यादा खुश हूँ एंड इट लुक्स रियली नाइस. आई एम अ स्कॉर्पियो एंड आई एम 99 बॉर्न, सो दोनों चीज़ें मुझे शो ऑफ करनी बहुत पसंद है. लाइक आई एम अ प्राउड स्कॉर्पियो, सो दैट इज़ द रीज़न आई बॉट दिस नेकलेस सेट. First is this Scorpio logo. I don't know what that is called. Next is this constellation of Scorpio, star constellation of Scorpio. And the last necklace says Scorpio. Of course, I can wear it together. Of course, I can wear just 2 necklaces together. I can stack them up. I can wear it separately. Like, मुझे ये बहुत अच्छा लगा सेट, इसलिए मैंने मंगा लिया. इसकी क्वालिटी भी बहुत अच्छी है. सो आजकल ना कोच के जो बैग चार्म्स आते हैं वो बहुत ज़्यादा फेमस हो रहे हैं एंड इट्स सुपर ट्रेंडी, बट ऑफकोर्स इट्स वेरी एक्सपेंसिव. व्हेन आई बॉट माई कोच वॉलेट मैंने तभी ही उसके साथ ही देखे थे इफ़ आई कैन बाय one of the bag charms, but those were not on sale and $75 for a bag charm. मुझे नहीं वर्थ लगे थे ऑनेस्टली, तो इसलिए मैंने वो बैग चार्म नहीं लिया. बट या आई बॉट अ बैग चार्म फ्रॉम Shein and it's super cute. It has a bow studded with diamonds and it has 2 cherries. I'll attach it with my bag and it will look super cute for sure. मूविंग ऑन टू द अनदर ब्रांड विच इज बाथ एंड बॉडी वर्क्स. वहाँ पे भी बहुत अच्छा सेमी एनुअल सेल चल रहा था. लाइक बाई 3 get 3 फ्री, बाई 3 get 1 फ्री. लाइक अच्छे अच्छे ऑफर्स थे एंड वैसे तो मुझे कुछ लेना नहीं था. अगेन मुझे कुछ लेना नहीं होता बट मैं लेती जाती हूँ. तो उनका न्यूली लॉन्च्ड कलेक्शन है कॉल्ड प्लैटिनम. उसका बॉडी लोशन मेरी मदर इन लॉ ने लिया था एंड इट स्मेल्ड सो फ्रीकिंग गुड दैट मुझे तभी से मन था कि मैं इसका मिस्ट लूंगी. दिस इज द मिस्ट आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट. इट्स फ्रॉम द कलेक्शन प्लैटिनम एंड इट स्मेल्स amazing. So yeah, that was the only thing I got from Bath and Body Works. Moving on to the last item of this haul. So a few days ago I got this haircut and बहुत cute लगता है. But the only problem every girl faces is जब वो fresh haircut होता है and जब वो salon वाले hair stylist जो style करते हैं वैसे तुम्हारे रहते ही नहीं है. मैंने उस लेडी से पूछा जिसने मेरा हेयर कट किया कि हाउ कैन आई स्टाइल दिस एट होम, लाइक हाउ कैन आई गेट दिस प्रॉपर ब्लो ड्राई फिनिश लुक एट होम. तो उसने मुझे सजेस्ट किया there is a particular hair dryer which every girl uses here. It's this Revlon one step volumizer. This is how the hair dryer looks. It has different heat settings when you rotate this, and it has pretty nice oval shaped brush. I ordered it from Walmart. It was for $32. Originally the price is I think $50, $60, something like that, but on sale it was $32. I haven't tried it yet, but I'm super excited for it because reviews uske बहुत अच्छे थे. So I can't wait to have that salon-like blow dry finished look. So yeah, with this we come to the end of this shopping haul video. So yeah, thank you for watching everyone, and I hope you guys liked this video. If you liked it, please like, share, comment and subscribe, and I will be seeing you in the next video. Bye bye.